right, Bryson, what do we do with all the logs?
You probably mark them out.
Probably mark them out. All right, can you set this one up for me? It's got a plus in between them, Bryson. So you do 17 times x equals negative 391. Guys, remember, if it's plus, you make it times. If it's minus, you make it divide.
And then all you do right here is you make it.
So divide it and tell me what you get.
Negative 22. Oh my gosh, Zach, I was about to say that.
Zach says negative 23.
Is that the answer?
All right, so that's the answer. One-step problem, but this answer gets marked out. Somebody explain why.
It's negative.
It's negative. When you plug it in here, if nothing happens to it here, Camden, that changes it, makes it a positive, you can't have it. So our answer is no solution because we don't have any answers left.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's number 4. Now, you guys set up number 5. Try 5. I'm just going to jump around and do some of these with you. We're going to go to 5 next. All right, number 5, we got log base 14 of 96. Log base 14 of 8 equals log base 14 of 8. All right, can I cross out all the logs?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All right, now what do I do with these two? It's got a minus in between.
Divide.
We divide them. 96 divided by 8 equals 8 over 1. Y'all cross multiply, let's see what we get. So this one's pretty easy. I probably didn't have to help you on this.
On second thought.
Cross multiply, let's see what we get. Positive. Andrew says positive 12. Anybody agree?
Yep.
Yeah.
So I got 8a equals 96, and y'all say that answer's 12. I'm good with that. All right, let's skip a few more. Y'all can do 6. Let's go to 7. Y'all can see most of these are pretty quick and pretty easy. All right, first step, y'all know we got to cross them all out. Let's do that. Boom, 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 boom. All right, Bryson, what happens with these two right here? They got a plus in between them. You times them. That'll give me x squared. All right, what happens with this one? It's got a minus in front of it. So I divide. All right, just a second. I got 81, so I do 81 over 1. Y'all cross multiply and get the answer. Got it? You know about class? All right, somebody said that equals 324. Hey, would somebody take the square root of 324 for me?
18.
18?
Y'all are on it, man.
All right, I trust y'all with 8. Is that what y'all said, 18?
Yes.
Okay.
They're on it, coach.
Now we got a problem though. The answer is plus or minus 18, right? And Kellyanne says only the plus works. Let's see if she's
I
right.
think so.
The minus doesn't work, you're right, because if you plug it in here, you can't have a negative. Good. All right, flip it over. I'm going to let y'all do 8 by yourself. Let's do 9.
Say 9.
I would like to know that.
All right, y'all set up number 9. Let's go to 9.
Oh, no. Don't get ahead of yourself again.
I guess the pants you brought are mediums.
He's probably going to get mad at that trick if you ain't got your jersey.
Oh, you have to bring your own jersey?
No, I got my jersey.
I don't know about baseball. I always keep a
So
basketball.
baggy, but I got smalls in there back
What
in.
do you do? Just give them out in the locker room?
Wash.
Oh, you can home and wash?
No, I wash them back.
You got a positive, so you divide it. You got 6 over 2 equals 14 over 1.
All right, watch this, Camden. I crossed out the logs, right? What does the 6 become? Make sure Camden's watching. Camden, if I got a number like 6 in front of the log, that's going to be the exponent. So it's x to the 6 times 2 equals 1458.
Do you divide?
All right, good. Y'all write it down. Let's go, Trinity. I need a few more minutes. Write it down.
Remember in step on class whenever Spine went and what he takes back to get to the principal's office? Get you stuck.
All right, so Bryson, what's the next step up here? Look at it. I got to get the x by itself, so I know I got to move the 2. How do I move it? Good. Somebody divide it?
729.
All right, Michael said 729. Huh?
No.
No, I think he's right. I think it's 729.
That's what I got. I don't care. What do you do after
All right, here's what you do after. Bryson, I got a 6. Y'all know I've always showed y'all the reciprocal method, right? So somebody do 729 to the 1/6. Get us an answer.
Three things.
Answer's 3.
I just plugged in numbers to see which one we
Or you can do that too. I don't care how you do it from there. But if you don't want to guess, you can do it my way. All right, let's see. 10, I'm going to let y'all do. 11's easy. Let's go to 12.
Can we just do this whole back?
We're doing the front and the back. I'm just going to do one more with you, unless y'all want to see some more.
I want to see some more.
I'll do as many as y'all want
We
me
can
to
do
do.
this whole back and then we can do the front ourselves.
It's fine with me. Sure. All right, let's look at 12.
We don't have a log.
All right, very good. All right, Bryson, explain to me why this one is the new type problem, not the old type.
Because there's no other.
Good. This one doesn't have a log. We got to do it the new way. Camden, do you remember the new way? Watch. 4 to the second power equals 16. That's the first step.
Wow.
4 to the second. Now, what do I do with these two? They got a plus in between them. Multiply, right? All right, so I want you guys right now to do the FOIL method, and let's see what you get. So from here, it's easy. FOIL it out, add like terms, get an answer. All right, about 12 more minutes, I'll be done. All right, so Camden, watch this. X times x is x squared. X times 4, 2 times x, 2 times 4. All right, move everything over and add up like terms. Y'all make an equation out of it. Then I don't care if you factor it or do quadratic. So I got x squared minus 2x minus 24. Hey, normally I tell y'all to do quadratic. I think we can factor this one.
Yes.
Yeah, we can. So 24 is either 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6.
I'm
Y'all,
gonna guess it's 4 and 6.
4 and 6 will work. Which one's positive, which one's negative?
It'd be the negative 4.
Let's check this.
Mine is 6.
Yeah, so this answer's 6, this answer's negative 4. Kelly Ann says negative 4 doesn't work. Let's see if she's right.
It does.
I don't know.
No, it don't work.
If you plug negative 4 right here, what do you get when you add 2? You get a negative 2, so you can't have that one.
So if you get a negative number on the first thing, then it's
If you get a negative number on any of the parentheses, you got to throw it out. Doesn't have to be the first one.
a 0 or negative.
0 or negative. Let's check the 6. Yeah, 6 is good. All right, I'll do one more with y'all, and then I'm going to let y'all finish it. Y'all's choice, 5-1.
10.
I would say
10.
10 or 13. Let's do 10. Hey, just remember, 13 is the only other one on here that you got to do the new method on.
10 and 13.
I'm just doing one.
Where you got to square it, right?
Let's look at number 10. Yeah, right. All right, number 10. All right, look at it. I'm going to cross out all the logs. All right, Camden, look at number 10. You see it's got a minus sign in between? You ain't watching. Look at number 10. You see it's got a minus sign in between, so I'm going to divide them. 3w plus 1 divided by w minus 2. All right, that's the left side. All right, Bryson, help me set up the right side. I know it's going to be divided. Bryson, what goes on top? Y'all don't help him. Look at it and see if you can guess what goes on top.
We guess a 2.
How about 5 to the 2? Because the number in front of the log becomes your exponent. So now do the bottom.
That'd be the
Remember, the number in front of the log becomes the exponent. That's right, 2 to the 3rd. Now,
why wouldn't that be a negative?
okay, because that's a good question. Because the negative just lets you know you're going to divide and then the negative's gone. All right, Andrew, I need some help. On top, what's 5 to the 2nd? So I got 25 on the top. And the bottom, 2 to the 3rd. Y'all say that's 8. All right, I'll trust you on that one. All right, so now all y'all got to do is cross multiply. Go. Hey, this one looks like it's going to be pretty easy.